Are you a guy who wants to learn to cook, or are you in a relationship with a guy you would like to see learn to cook? Here's the top 8 ways to help guys learn how to cook and really enjoy it. Start slow. Begin by helping with simple tasks like washing, slicing, or chopping ingredients for a meal, such as making a salad. Grill it up. Cooking on a grill is a great first step for guys. Learn to cook a hamburger to perfection. Get on the griddle. Another beginner-friendly option is cooking on a griddle. Whip up some delicious pancakes and learn to mix a recipe. Spaghetti skills. Time to graduate to spaghetti. Cook the hamburger and mix it with spaghetti sauce for a tasty treat. Meal kits are your friend. Order a meal kit like Blue Apron or HelloFresh to learn about different spices and enjoy multi-step meals. From scratch. Find a recipe, gather the ingredients, and cook a meal from scratch. Discover the joy of creating a dish from start to finish. Wine pairing. Take it up a notch by learning to pair wine with your meal. Don't forget to include a salad and dessert for a complete dining experience. Set the mood. Finish off your culinary journey by setting the table properly and using a candle to create a cozy atmosphere. Dinner is served. With these top 8 helping guys learn how to cook tips, any guy can become a master in the kitchen. Happy cooking!